From the fires of the Revolution 2500 comes something new and truly independent. Introducing the HTP Independence 210. AC and DC TIG, stick, pure power, and a portable machine. You don't punch a clock. You don't ask permission. You build it your way. This is your declaration of independence. Your garage, your grind. HTP America. Let freedom weld.
There, a little bit extra post flow. Hitting that thing one more time. It's all nice and silver. Okay, this video here, we're gonna start in the middle of the chicken shit here. We're already welding some stainless steel exhaust for some hot rod. You hear the chickens in the background already. In the middle of nowhere. Yeah, right in my driveway. Who am I kidding? But anyways, thank you Elon Musk for free supercharging. So we're gonna weld today for free. And I want to take you guys along. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 stainless steel welds here. So when you look at how poorly I cleaned this, you see the grind marks right there. And I'm out here in the middle of the weather. A little bit wind going, not too much. See the leaves on the tree up there? Just a little bit blowing back and forth. Not too crazy. But out in the wind, mediocre prep material, great results. I mean, this is largely thanks to the rock mount Gemini wire I'm using. And what really makes a difference is this edge gas lens here. Come on. That's actually a quartz cup here with a screen for the laminar flow, mildly contaminated from previous aluminum welding. Right there, but still good enough so that at 30 CFH I get enough coverage to make a really nice stainless weld out here in the weather, in the wind. Rock mount Gemini 8 TIG. So you can weld all sorts of stainless grates with this, and what it really does is it excels when conditions of heat and corrosions are severe. So that exhaust, you may see exhaust gas temperatures high as maybe 1200 degrees in that hot rod that's going on. It goes right off the header, and we'll see how well it does in real life. Okay, what I meant to say is, look at this weld here. This is not cleaned, just as welded. Yeah, there's people that do more consistent stuff, but for what it is, it's good enough. Here, this is after wire brushing it. And you can see the weld is a little bit skinny. It didn't even fill the whole bevel. But it works just fine for what the application is. And then on the inside, because we didn't back perch anything, you do see a little bit sugaring there. But then again, I mean, you can go in there with an inside bore flapper and just clean it up a little bit. This was not really super critical. So that's kind of what it looks like. Customer's super happy and everything works. Now let's look for sugaring in here. And yes, there's some minimal amount of sugaring in here, which that's perfectly fine for what this is for. So let's see, TIG welding outside with no power, I mean with free power, not a problem. It's absolutely doable, even in the wind. Well, not a super strong one, but thanks for watching, tuning in, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you.